the tables, how to create the tables and all, and the table related informations. Fine. Okay, so tables are the easiest way to store, organize and present a large amount of information. They are the building blocks of a database. Okay, so whatever database we are making, if the tables are not there, it is does not contain heavy meaning. All right, so that day I had shown you how to create the table. Today I am showing you how to insert a table. Okay, how to insert data in a table, because preparation of table is not a problem. Okay, so you can do it at any point of time. So for that reason, so what could we do, that we are just opening the Microsoft Access out here. So it has already been opened, and one database already we had created. Okay, so we can see it. Okay, so that is the thing. So you can take it anything out here. So one database we can open. So here are so many tables, tables are there. So those tables we can easily access. Fine. So that is the thing. So in that table there must be some data. Okay, so to open the database in which the table exists, okay, first of all we had selected what, first of all we had selected what the database, what name of the database is 10CDE, XCDE. Okay, so that is the thing. Just a minute, I'll just enable the permission, enable this content. Okay, sometimes if the security alert comes in this way, you should enable this content. Okay, that to be checked and click on OK. Okay, sometimes it happens. That is also a part of your MS Access database. Fine. So here is the table. You can see out here. This table I can open just by double clicking simply. Okay, so the datasheet view will be opened. Okay, so how can you do that? So which table I have opened? I have opened the table T1 just by double clicking on it. Okay, and the pointer will appear in the first cell of the table. Here is the pointer is appearing first cell in the table. Okay, now what will you do? You can do one thing, start typing it. Just a minute, start typing it. Okay, start typing the data. Where will you type out? You can type out over here. You can enter the data in this way. Okay, in the cell, and press the tab key to go to the next field. Okay, you are having a tab key on your keyboard, that you should use. So I am giving out here 344, and then I am entering out here, say Ranjan. Okay, Ranjan. All right, so I am entering this one over here. Okay, Ranjan. All right, and then I am pressing out here, say Ranjan is 3, and then age is 10. Okay, and then say here it is Kolkata. Okay, I am entering. Fine. So now what is happening out here? So that is the thing. So again the next data, suppose I am giving 223, and then say here it is Ashok. Okay, Ashok, and Ashok is in class 5 of about 12 years old, and then say Siliguri he is from. Okay, so now I'm pressing enter. You see out here. So this is just for your recollection, that one. Okay, last time we had done the changes you requested to the table were not successful because they would create duplicate values in the index, primary key or relationship. So the duplicate value means 223. Rani is also bearing the same SID, and this is also bearing same SID. So that is not possible. This is the way actually to protect the redundancy, data redundancy, which is because of the primary key it has been possible. Okay, so that is the thing that you have seen. So unless you are changing over here, nothing you can change. Okay, so you cannot enter any data. So you are entering now, you are pressing enter. So you can see with the tab key I can move to the cells, and finally pressing enter in order to enter a new data. Okay, so over here, so in this way we can insert the table. Okay, so now if you want to edit the data in a table, you just check, you just select. There is no separate options are available. Okay, you have to select the cell which you want to edit. Suppose here it is, I want to write Rani Kumari, so I am writing Rani Kumari out here. Okay, or if you want to delete the thing, you can press backspace or the del key. Okay, you can press the del key or the backspace key, and then you write fresh. Okay, suppose instead of Rani, say we will write here Simran. Okay, Simran, we will write Simran, and then we have edited this one. So once you have edited, don't forget to press save. Okay, otherwise it will remain as an unsaved information. So always you need to do that. Okay, clear, understood? So now if you want to remove any data, okay, go to that record, and then go to the home, and then you can click out here. You can see out here. Okay, so that is the thing. You can just keep, and if you are clicking in this way, then you will see delete will not be activated. Fine, delete will not be activated. So you have to select the data only, nothing else you have to select. Suppose this data in this way you select. Okay, then what you will go in the record group, home tab, records group, and you have to go to the delete. Okay, then it will be deleted. Okay, so you are about to delete one records, it is asking me. Okay, so now if I am clicking on yes, the data will be deleted. All right, that is the thing. All right, so in this way the data can be removed. Okay, and if you are pressing undo out here, Ctrl Z, okay, so there also there will be no effect, no undo will be applicable once you are removing it straight away over here. So that is the thing. So in this way you can select the record. Okay, so that is the thing. So now what can you do is that how can you save? Okay, so you are having some other facilities also out here. Okay, sort A to Z. So if you are clicking over here, this is the sorting actually. Open a table and select the field you want to sort. Now click on home tab and select the ascending or descending option in the sort and filter group. Okay, sort and filter group can also be accessible from here also. You can see the sort and access group are out here. Here also the selection you can make from here also. All right, this is a kind of filter actually. Advanced group also, filter by sort by sort, all are there. Okay, but that is the best way to do out here from here. Okay, so you sort it out here, click on over here. So it will have sort A to Z. A to Z means what? It will be sorted. Suppose Ashok is having 213, so Ashok should come over here and then Rimi should go down. Okay, that is the thing. So you just do it. Okay, so what will happen? You see out here Ashok has come over here. Okay, so if you're pressing Ctrl Z, previous condition was like this. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, all right, so that is the thing. So now what could you do is that Ashok is having 213, Sumana is having 333, and then do sort Z to A. So you see out here Sumana has come and then Ajay has gone down, and this is the way. So this is actually the descending order sorting. So how can you do it? Okay, so first of all you can go to the home tab, then you can go to the sort and filter group, and then you can press either of the sort ascending or sort descending. If you are clicking on sort ascending, then ascending order sort will happen, and if you are clicking on the sort descending, this button, then the descending order sort will happen. All right, that is the thing. So in this way you can also sort. Okay, in this way you can sort also. Okay, so the specifically you have to remember that which are the data that you are using. Okay, sorry, which are the field that you are using. Okay, so you can do where you can come over here where home and sort and filter group, and then you can select either of the things. All right, that is the thing. Okay, little bit of filter also you can try out. Okay, that is the thing. So here the advanced filter is available. Okay, apply filter for sorting, apply advanced filter, sort, filter by form, all these things are there. Selection is also possible. Equals Sumana, suppose you want to see equals Sumana. Okay, so Sumana is displaying out here. Okay, nothing else has been displayed, and the filter has been displayed out here. And then you can clear filter from S name if you are pressing. In that case what will happen? It will be removed from there. Okay, so again the entire set of record has come. Okay, so that is the thing. So now suppose you are selecting over here. Okay, so I am going there, and advanced filter also I can do it, apply filter or sort. Okay, so this way. Okay, we can sort over here also by using this particular key, largest to smallest. Okay, largest to smallest means it has been largest to smallest, it has been sorted. All right, that is the thing. And if you are clicking over here, then if you can do the smallest to largest. So what will happen? 121, Ajay has come first. Okay, so in this way the sorting can also be done. Okay, so the thing is that this way the sorting can be done. Now if you want to do some advanced kind of sorting data using multiple fields, if you want to do, in that case what you need to do, first of all select the home tab and select advanced button and sort and filter groups. Select the home tab. Okay, home tab and then sort and filter group. Okay, then advanced what you call sort and filter group, and the advanced click advanced one. Okay, so from the list of options displayed, select the advanced filter sort option. Okay, advanced filter sort option. Okay, so now you see this particular thing has been opened. All right, that is the thing. All right, so just a minute, was joined, 1 minute. Yes, Rishabh Raj, good morning Rishabh. Okay, kindly turn on your video for 2 seconds. Okay, and then join. All right, that is the thing. So you should join in time. All right, okay, okay. Clear, should join in time. Okay, all right. So now the thing is that this particular thing has been you can see out here SID in joining. SID, suppose I am I will do the sorting with S name, and then here I will give what class in descending order. Okay, so what is happening out here now? Next, what is happening? So this particular thing, S name in ascending order, classes in descending order, and here I will keep the SID. I have to select the field, select the ascending or descending option from the drop down list. So that is what the drop down list I am actually selecting out here. So here what kind of things, this is the drop down list, and the descending also can be selected. Okay, now you can close it. Okay, so now what will happen, now click on the save button on quick access toolbar to save. The result will be saved in a form of query. Okay, now you click on save out here. This is the save button in the quick access toolbar, or you may press Ctrl S. Okay, so that is the thing. So it is actually saved in the form of a query. So now you give say short one. Okay, suppose I am giving the name short one. Okay, click on OK. Fine, this is not the original table. This is actually being saved in the form of a in the form of what, in the form of query. All right, so now close it please. Okay, so I have just closed it. Okay, so now in this way it is appearing 121 Ajay is having. Okay, 121 Ajay, this one the thing. So what we have done out here, SID is in descending order, SName in ascending, and one more class is in, I think, descending order. So let us run it once and then see what is happening. Yes, that has been done. Okay, so SID, so the SName has been in descending order, we can see, and class is in descending order. So whatever data that remains is similar. Okay, so if you can take one data over here, 344 Ranjan and 5. Okay, so you can see out here 344 is where, 344 is here. Okay, Ranjan 3 has been appearing over here only. Okay, so that is the thing, the sorting has been done in this way. Okay, so 334 10 Kolkata has been coming over here. So if you want to open it, you can open it also in design view. Right click on it and choose the design view. All right, okay, see here how the design view it is working. So S name is ascending order, and class is in descending order, and T1 in descending order. All right, so this thing actually is functioning in table T1 in ascending order only. Okay, so this is the first field. With respect to this, other things are also being sorted. All right, so this is the multiple sorting, actually multiple record sorting. So here you can find out everything has been sorted in descending order, and as per the things this has been taken place, though even you may observe that it is not in descending order, but as per the things this actually follow. Okay, so at the same time, if you these three things, the separate sorting is not possible. Okay, only one field with respect to other field also will be sorted. So how it has been sorted, when Ashok has come over here, okay, in table T1, okay, in the sort, this is that position, the table T1, and this is the original table. Okay, that is the original table. Okay, this is the original table. Now you see out here Ashok, Rimi, Ajay, Rimi, Ashok is over here. Okay, so they are having 121, 211 and 213. Okay, now you see the sort. Okay, so if the Ajay and Ashok has come 121, 213, and Rimi has gone into 211 over there. Okay, so this has also been sorted as per the with respect to the S name field. So this is actually the multiple sorting by using multiple fields. Okay, that is the way. Okay, now we are coming in bit of this thing, what you call the different thing, different lists, how to make queries by using the SQL editor. Okay, clear how to create the query. First of all, we can create the query by using the query wizard. Okay, so create, we can go to the create, and we can go to the query design, or you can go to the query wizard. Okay, this is the query wizard. Okay, simple query wizard. Okay, so we can go over there. Okay, here. All right, so here this is asking what are the fields to be taken. Say SID. Okay, I am taking age and address. Okay, so these three things I am taking. Okay, so no, so I'm sorry that all had gone over there. Okay, only I will keep SID, name and address. All right, S name and address. Fine. So this is for the all fields, this is for the single field. So this is a simple query. All right, that is the thing. So now I am giving the name this one as query 1, as query 2, Q2. All right, so I am giving the name and I have finished this one. Okay, so the query has been over up with. Okay, so what is happening, SID has come, S name has come, and address this has come. Now if we are going to the design view, okay, so I'm going to the home tab, and then view button will be there, and then SQL view if I choose, then you see in the SQL view what has been written. Select sort SID, sort1.sname and sort1.address. Okay, so we have used this particular table in order to sort the record. So this is actually the SQL query, but if we want to do access it from over here, so this is coming in this way. Okay, so 1 minute, I am just closing this one, so I will just make the query of this one. Okay, so that is the thing. So I will just close this one also, only the T1 will be opened. Okay, so now I am writing another query over here by using the SQL viewer. Okay, so this is the SQL viewer. So whenever, sorry, this is design view, I'm sorry, I have to go to the SQL viewer first of all. Okay, so I'm not making any changes over here. Okay, and then I am going over here, I am opening the table T1. Okay, so here what I will do, here the design view I cannot see because I have to go to the create query first. Okay, that is the thing. So query design I have to go first. Okay, so I have to add the table over here. Okay, then I will come back. All right, that is the thing. Add, close. Okay, so this one has been opened for here, so I'm just removing the table once. Okay, so not this one, actually I want to do different way. Okay, so no, I will not saving this one, this query. All right, so what I will do, this one I will select first of all and then say create. Okay, create, and then say home view. When I will come, then I will be able to see this particular views, but when I will start creating query, the SQL viewer will be available. Okay, so query design, adding the table, fine, over here. Okay, close out here. Okay, now say here I am making what, I am coming out here SID. all right, and then say here I am making what, name, and here I am making what, address. Fine, so this one only I am making address out here, and then closing this one. Okay, so I am making this one as Q2. all right, Q2. all right, so then I am saving over Q3, sorry, Q2 is already available, Q3 I am making. Fine, so now next what is happening out here, you see the Q3 has been appeared. all right, so now if you run Q3, you can see only those three fields. Okay, now I will go to the SQL viewer in order to modify it, SQL view. Okay, so now say I don't want the name. Okay, name and address over here from T1. all right, so I will keep these things only. Okay, what is this, T1.sid, T1.sname, T1 is the name of the table, and T1.address, this is actually known as what, this is actually known as SQL query. all right, so now let us see that how should I do this. Okay, now I don't want to display all the things, I want to display those who are living in Kolkata. Okay, so where what is the thing, where T1 dot address. Okay, T1 dot address. Okay, address equals to, simply I will give here Kolkata. Okay, Kolkata. all right, then semicolon. all right, so that is the thing. So now I'm closing it. all right, so now do you want to save this? Yes, I want to save it. Fine, so now I'm running this query. Okay, let's see what is happening. So you see all the Kolkata people has been appeared. Okay, so this is actually a kind of query. So query is what, query is actually, so first you have seen in design view don't sorry, the query wizard. Okay, so what you have seen in the query wizard, you don't have that much scope over there. all right, you can't have that much scope. all right, so what is happening, you are just adding the fields and seeing it. Okay, but here in the query design, what is happening, you are getting the things and all. Okay, so you can change it by using the SQL viewer. The query, you can see out here the query has been created out here, you can see this one. Okay, so this query has been created because this has put in filter. Okay, so all the records are where, all the records are different places are there, but it is showing me only the people those who are coming from Kolkata. So the table T1 is having these many things are there, Siliguri, Chennai, Kolkata, all are there, but in the original query, so when I have made the query, I am looking for the people only those who are coming from Kolkata. So in this way, what is happening, a query can easily be this thing can easily be created. Okay, that is the thing. So that is the very simple form, and if you want to create it, if you want to change it, you can open the design view and you can write it over here. You see out here Kolkata has already been appeared over here. Okay, if you want to change it over here, you can change it by giving the another place that is called Siliguri. Okay, Siliguri. Okay, and then close it. all right, then close it and save it. Okay, that's the thing. So now you run the query, you will see that this one has been appeared. Okay, so now we have not done it. Okay, just right click or open or double click on it, it will open. Okay, so only the people those who are from Siliguri, that has been appeared. all right, so in this way you will be able to display the things by using the select. Okay, by using select. Okay, you can see out here the query. Okay, to select SID, T1.sname, T1.address from T1, where T1.address is equals to Siliguri, you have written out here. Okay, that is the thing. So in this way the query also can be created. Okay, so you can run it from here also. Okay, so that has come from here also. Okay, that is the thing. So this is what the query. Acha, now the thing is that if you want to display, if you want to change the query, okay, you can open, you can always change it in the design view, but I want to change it, I want to make a change from SQL viewer. Okay, so SQL viewer will show me in this way. all right, so it has been clearly showed the person those who are living in Siliguri, so it is very easy to do. Okay, so now the things, I don't want all these things, I want to remove this. I want to display again all the records from Siliguri. Okay, again all the records from the table T1. So select, what I will do, select, and then I will type star. What is the star? The star is actually known as the wildcard character. What is this? The star is known as wildcard character. Wildcard character in the sense means that we don't know, that we don't know. Okay, anything we don't know, nothing we know. Okay, so whatever is there, that will be displayed. That is actually called wildcard. Okay, so wild means we cannot control it. Okay, so whatever is there, it will be displayed from the table. So now select star from, I am giving out here T1. Okay, and then putting a semicolon. This is actually called an SQL query. SQL means structured query language, which has been supported by any DBMS or RDBMS software. All right, that is the thing. So select star from T1. What I have done, so what is the result? You see, I am running the query now. You will see out here, then save it. You see everything has been displayed out here. Okay, so now if you are clicking on save, then what will happen? Permanently it will be saved. So now on, if you are running this query Q3, then what will happen? All the records will be displayed. All right, that is the thing. Now the thing is that I want to display the records, those who are in class 5, their record. Okay, so what I will do, I will open the query again, or I can create a new query. Okay, so I will open the query in SQL view and then select star from T1. I will just remove it by pressing the backspace or delete key. Then I will type select. Okay, I enter records. Okay, all records for class 5. Select star from T1 where class to be used, where class equals to what class I have given only. You can check out the field name from here. This is the class. Okay, so query, and then say what I will write, class 5. So 5, no need to give any quotes and all, because it is an integer type variable. Okay, so integer type. Okay, the field is actually integer type. When you are entering any date, or if you are entering any string, in that case you should give a single quote. Okay, the data to be given, you have seen for Kolkata, I have given that way only. Okay, where 5. Okay, now the thing is that this has been changed. Okay, or you may run the query from there. Okay, so that is the things. Invalid statement it is saying, because the select statement is wrongly typed, misspelled. Okay, so you need to check it also. You can press the backspace key and then type it again, SELECT. Select command is actually been used out here. It is actually used in order to display all the details from what you call from the table. Okay, select star means every information for class 5 we want to get. Now say close it. Okay, now can choose yes out here. Okay, so the query has been made now. Now it is the previous result actually. Now we will run it after modification. Okay, now click on open. Okay, now you see only the records of class 5 has been appeared. Okay, so this is the way to make the query. All right, that is the thing. That is the way to make the query. Okay, so this particular thing you need to learn. Okay, how to do these things. So simply a query is a simple question that you ask from others in order to get some specific information. Okay, so here what we had made, what, to display all the records, those who are living in those who are in class 5, their all the informations, not for other classes. Okay, when we require, we will create the query as per the specification. All right, similarly in RDBMS, a query, a database object that enables us to retrieve records from one or more tables of a database or different databases that meet a specific condition. So what is the specific condition out here? You can see the specific condition out here. If I am going to the design view, you come to the you come over here, you see class is given as 5 over here. That is the thing. Okay, so what is given? Class has been given the criteria as 5. Okay, so this is actually the specific condition over here, on the basis of what the query has been made. All right, that is the thing. So in this way, what will you do? You will create it. You will create the query. Fine. Okay, so otherwise what is happening? This is very easy to do. Okay, and you can easily find it out. Okay, any set of records from the table. Now see, I'm if I want to count the records, how I will create the query? I'm just opening the SQL. How many records are there in this one? Okay, so if I want to go that. Okay, so if I want to do it, and then how to do it? Okay, that is the thing. So now first of all, what I will do, this is the one. So this you see out here, now it is not available. So create, when I'll go create and then query. Okay, that is the thing, create and then query wizard, then design view we can open it. Okay, design view we can open it. So at that point of time you will see that this has been appeared. Okay, this has been appeared. Now you can run the query from here also. All right, that is the thing. So now I want to count the records. So what I will do, count how many. So count in the bracket I will give here, I will give out here how much, star. Okay, so count star sorry, not this, count star, select count star from T1. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay, so now run this query. Now let us see what is being displayed. So it is showing us what, how much expression 1000. It is showing me what expression 1000 means this is actually the default name for the particular thing. So this is actually just a file filter. So how many records are there? Has been displayed 7 records are there. So what can you do? You can count it from here manually. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So definitely 7 records are there. Okay, that is the thing. So in this way you can make this query also in order to count. So what is the query to count all the records? Okay, design view, if I go, then it will show me this one. So this is actually the one. Now I'm going to the SQL viewer from here. So it is showing me out select count in the bracket star as expression 1. Okay, from T1. Okay, so as expression 1 means you can give out here, what you can give out here, total records. Okay, you can give out here total records also, total, sorry, as total, okay, records. Okay, so then the instead of expression 1, total records will be appearing as the heading. Okay, so you can run this particular thing, then it is showing you total records. Okay, so that is the thing. So you can remove this also, the single quote, and you can simply write it. Okay, total records. Okay, it is showing you. Okay, that is the thing. So in this way what is happening, you can create a lot of queries. Okay, in this way you can create lot of queries, students. Okay, that is the thing. Understood? So what we had learnt, okay, today we had learnt what? We had learnt many things today regarding the table. Okay, so we had learnt how to insert the data in the table. It is very simple. First of all, how will you go? You will first you will go to click on a table, then you will enter the in the primary key field a unique value. Okay, it should not match 344. If you are giving, it will not function. Why it will not function? Since it is not a primary key. Okay, it is actually a primary key, so the duplicate value will not be accepted. So if you are giving suppose 786, then it will be accepted. And then say you are saving Rana. Okay, Rana Das. Okay, suppose I am giving in this way, Rana Das is 7 and age is say 14. Okay, and then say Rana is coming from Siliguri. Okay, that is the thing. So Rana Das, that has been, so this is actually the inserting of data. Okay, so anytime if you need to edit any data, you can go to that particular field by using the backspace or delete key. You can remove the data. Suppose you want to make this one as Chennai, Chennai, you write, then don't forget to click on save. Okay, so if you are not saving, the data will not be permanently saved. So that's what you have to do. You need to save it, or you can press Ctrl S. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, next you have learned how to delete the record. Suppose if I am to delete the records of Simran, I need to select it, but don't keep it in edit mode. If you are keeping in edit mode, then delete will be unhighlighted. Okay, so this is the thing. So now what will you do? You can select the record simply by clicking over here, then you will see the delete has been highlighted right now. So click on delete, and alert, it will be deleted, and alert message will come. Okay, so it has not been permanently deleted yet. Okay, it is there. If you are clicking on no, it will be retrieved back. Okay, if you are clicking on no, then it has come back once again. All right, now if you are delete really, okay, so it will give, you will get the alert. If you are clicking on yes, then it will be permanently deleted. Fine, then click on yes. Okay, so it will be deleted. Okay, and after each kind of modification, don't forget to save the record. So you should save the record in this way. All right, so this is what the saving the record. So I will also present you this live class recording. Okay, and the rest of the notes you must study from the book. Okay, that is the things, and I am actually discussing the steps only, how to do these things. So we have done also the sorting today. Sorting data how could be done for anything, any field you just select and then go to, and then click over here in this particular, this is actually known as filtered button. Okay, then do sort A to Z. Okay, then it will be sorted, and ascending orders, because you see the arrow is indicating out here, and Z to A, then the arrow will be downwards direction. Okay, so this is showing the sorting data. All right, and then what is the thing, if you want to do the multiple sorting on multiple fields, you have to select, then you have to go for the advanced filter or sort. Here you will have the scope of sorting the records. Okay, so it will be a query like thing, so you can anytime you can do that. Okay, that is actually known as sorting. For sort and filter, what you have to select, you have to go to the home, then you have to go to the sort and filter. Afterwards you have to go to the advanced, or you can click on to the A to Z and Z to A also from here. Okay, so that is for the main one option, and but according to me the very simple thing is from here can be done. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay, so that is the sort A to Z and sort Z to A. Okay, so it's very easy to sort from here, and at last you have seen some queries also, and how to create the queries also, that you have also seen. All right, So in this way, what is happening, in this way you will be bit skillful. When your practical skill will be fine, okay, then your theoretical skill also will be nice. Okay, that is the reason that I am always putting stress on this particular this thing, what you call practical job. Okay, do you understand, students, whatever I have explained? Hello, do you understand, students, whatever explained? So in this way you must create the query. Where you will create the query? You will create the query from the SQL viewer. Okay, so you will have an SQL view. You go to the create over here. You can have the query wizard, query design over here. Then you can get the query and you can add the table. Okay, so after adding the table, what can you do? You can go to the view and you can go open the SQL viewer in order to see the in SQL view. Okay, SQL viewer. Okay, everywhere it is available in all versions, 2010, 2011, 2019, everywhere it is available. Okay, so if you want to create the query, you can create the query at any moment of time. Fine, that is the thing. Clear? So here is the select has been given out here. Okay, so if you want to update the table, you can also update. You can click on update also. Okay, so you can update here. Okay, so that is the thing. You can give s name out here and you can give sid out here. Okay, so that is the thing, and you can give out here class. Okay, class. Okay, class out here. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, so that is actually not the part of query. Okay, so that is the thing, so I'm not saving it. Okay, from there. Okay, so now the thing is that, okay, so here you can create, in the create you can come over here. Okay, so you can see out here. Okay, table design also you can insert the design over here also. Okay, so mainly our concentration will be on the query. So it is saying create a new query wizard. Okay, blank query in design view. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay, so this query setup you can give over here and you can add the field. Afterwards you can select the close it and you can see the view and you can go to the SQL viewer in order to write the query nicely. Okay, so that is the thing. So here nothing has been given, you can give it. Okay, over here. Okay, any kind of query. Okay, suppose you want to display the records of the students who all are having the SID more than 300. Okay, so what will you do? Select. Okay, select star. Okay, from select star from T1. Okay, where SID is greater than 300. Okay, not 300, I'm giving 400. Okay, 400 and then semicolon. Usually SQL query accepts a semicolon. Okay, that is the thing. So now you close it out here. Okay, so yes, you do. Name of the query you select, say I am giving here Q4. Alright, click on OK. So later on I will take some more classes on this one, on this particular query and all, but right now you see how these things are being happening. Okay, so after 400, okay, so only two SIDs are there. What is that? 434 and 786. So in this way, by using the select commands, okay, by using the select command you can make a query. What is this? Select star from T1. Okay, I'm showing it in little bigger form. Okay, so you will not have any problem. Just let me open the notepad once. All right. Now let us see out here. Control B. What has been given? Just I'm splitting it off. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, just a minute. So what is written? Select star from T1 where SID greater than 400. Fine. All right. So what is this? So this is actually extracting the records of the students, those who are having the student ID more than 400. Okay, so that is the thing. So select star. Star means everything, all the records. Now if you want to change this one, say I don't want star, I want only the SID and name and address. Okay, suppose I want SID, okay, and name. Okay, name and age, suppose name comma age. Okay, so in that case what is happening? I am specifying what is actually I want. Star means everything. Okay, whenever I am specifying, I am giving out here SID, name and age, and then executing the query. Now you see there will be a change out here. Now it is asking the parameter value. Okay, no. Okay, so just a minute, I'll just close it. Okay, from T1. Okay, so just a minute here. Okay, so still bring it out here and then this one. Okay, then I'm closing this one. Okay, and then say yes. All right, so now I'm executing Q4. Oh no, S name, no, that is the thing. S name is the field name, no, that is the thing. That's what. Okay, so Q4 has to be edited. Okay, SQL view go. So it is not as this thing. What is the thing? Q4 is not this one. This is the Q3 actually it is showing, but I want to get the Q4. All right, so open in design view. All right, so here this is the one. Okay, Q4, and then this will be S name. That is the wrong thing happened out there. We have not typed the proper name. Okay, sorry, the proper field name. Okay, so now I'm closing this one and then executing this one. So this one is showing me exactly the same thing. So it is not showing me all the information except, okay, SID, SNAME and age. Since the condition is given, what condition is given in this way? What is the condition? I'm showing you out here in an enlarged view, so you will be able to understand it. All right, so here I'm writing, you see, what is the thing? Select and then say Control V. Okay, so that is the thing. So these two queries are there. They are little different. Okay, how they are different? Because here all the information has been asked to view. Okay, that is by using the star, which is known as also wildcard character, and this is the SID, SNAME, age from T1 where SID greater than 400. Okay, that is what actually we are accessing queries in this way, accessing records by using the query with the help of the SQL commands. All right, so that is the thing. So students, you have seen that how we are working on it, and you please also do work in the similar fashion. All right, that is the thing. So now I'm coming back over there, and you have seen also I have worked at home. I would like to say you that definitely you must practice this one in order to do it properly. All right students, so that is the things. So I'm just concluding with this one. So we have learned what? Inserting data, editing records in a table, deleting records from a file, and sorting, and some SQL query also you have learned by using the SID by using the select command. Okay, and it has been accessible for the different fields. Okay, so definitely you do it practically. I would like to say that. Okay, definitely you practice it. Okay, otherwise you may forget. Okay, so regular practice if you do, okay, sometimes then this particular thing will be on your hand. Okay, that is the thing. So with this one, today I am ending this particular class. All right, thank you students, thank you very much, stay safe.